A little more on the issue of toxic dumping, if you would, Mohammed Abshir Waldo. I don't think people in the United States understand exactly what it is you're referring to and how it affects people.
Well, toxic dumping, industrial waste dumping, nuclear dumping, as you are probably aware and have heard and many people know, for quite some time, in the 70s mainly, in the 80s, in the 90s, there was a lot of waste of all these kinds that companies wanted to get rid of, following very strict environmental rules in their countries. So where else to take that in countries in conflict or weak countries who could not prevent them or who could be bought? So these wastes have been carried to Somalia. It's been in the papers. It has been reported by media organizations like Jazeera, I think like CNN. Many had reported about the mafia, Italian mafia, who admitted it, dumping it in Somalia for quite some time, for quite a long time. And as we speak now, I heard yesterday, in fact, another vessel was captured in the Gulf of Aden by community, this time not pirates, by the community, when they suspected it, and it was carrying two huge containers, which it dumped into the sea when they saw these people coming to them. They have been apprehended. The vessel had been apprehended. Fortunately, the containers did not sink into the sea, but they have been towed to the coast. And this community have invited the international community to come and investigate this matter. So far, we don't have action. So this dumping, waste dumping, toxic dumping, nuclear waste dumping has been ongoing in Somalia since 1992.
When I read your article, Mohammed Abshir Waldo, it reminded me of a controversial memo that was leaked from the World Bank. This was when Lawrence Summers, now the chief economic advisor, was the chief economist at the World Bank, in which it said, I think the economic logic behind dumping a load of toxic waste in the lowest wage country is impeccable, and we should face up to that. I've always thought that underpopulated countries in Africa are vastly underpolluted. He said he was being sarcastic.
Actually, the more formal official concern with this UN Habitat has also confirmed in various reports that this has been dumped in Somalia. The special representative of the Secretary General, Walid Abdallah, who is now working with the Somali authorities, has also, I think, made a statement to that effect. So it is very well known. It's not something hidden. It's not something we are making up. The world knows, but it doesn't do anything about it.
Mohammed Abshir Waldo, thank you for joining us, a consultant in Kenya, speaking to us from Mombasa.